one mistake every single patient of mine does before consuming homeopathy. They come to us way, way too late. They come to us when they've already done GP, their local GPs, they've gone to their local GPs, they've had their anti-inflammatories, they've had their antibiotics. Don't do that. Come to your homeopathy doctors before. Come to them if you can. You always have us, me, so many other doctors. I feel like this is one mistake everybody does. They come to homeopathy last when they know, okay, everything is done, now what? Now what do we do? Things can be really messy. I was speaking to somebody and they had a 15 stone, 20 stone. Now let's just be honest. When the stone was like about 4-5 it was easy for a good homeopath to take it out, provided the patient cooperated, right? But now with 15 to 20 it's tough. It's definitely tough. So come to doctors before you really go out and out. Trust them and go to a good homeopathy doctor before it gets too late, before you have to go on inhalers. Go to a good homeopathy. This is a pattern we see as homeopaths. The patients come to you doing everything and then they're done and dusted. Better you come to us first. If a good homeopath can't treat you, they will say it on your face that I can't treat you. And I've said it to a lot of patients that I can't treat you. This falls out of my range of treatment. However, I can refer you and help you in any other manner. Trust me, it works. I can help as a homeopathy doctor. I do help. And this is where things change and this is where things matter. And I hope this helps you. To everybody new to homeopathy, everybody who's trying homeopathy, everybody who's taking homeopathy, reach out to your doctors. If you don't have doctors, let us know in the comment section. We'll help you according to your location. We'll guide you through. And in the comment section will be a list of doctors you can approach all across packs and clinics because we really believe that we can help you.